Himalaya Beauty's YouTube channel. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon for more informative videos.
We are from Himalayan Beauty's YouTube channel. Bairam Beerwah, a small mountain, is a natural habitat of some wild birds. Bird watching is a lifetime ticket to the theater of nature. This is about wild birds and ducks of Kashmir. Birding is for everyone who is interested in enjoying nature. Bird diversity varies seasonally, and as many as 554 species belonging to 13 orders have been recorded in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. 262 species have been reported from the temperate and alpine regions of the Kashmir Valley, ranging in elevation from 1800 m to 7500 m, with an average annual rainfall of 733 millimeters. 225 species have been reported from the cold high-level desert of Ladakh, which ranges in elevation from 2750 m to 7672 m, with an average annual rainfall of W. 183 species have been reported from the subtropical plains of Jammu, with an elevation of about 100 to 700 m, with an average annual rainfall of 1124 millimeters. Staking out in the wild to identify and track birds, that is the essence of bird watching. You have to spot a bird in its natural habitat and then try to discover its identity. It's not tough to bird watch. Just keep your eyes and ears open. Carry a powerful pair of binoculars, a notebook, and a pen, and plenty of patience on your bird watching holiday. Birds flock to a water source, such as in our lakes, rivers, and all the mountain areas like Gulmarg, Pahalgam, Sonamarg, etc. For wild ducks, migratory/seasonal, and other waterfowl, you can visit Hokersar, Onkar, Manaspal, Wooler, Dal and Najin lakes. So that's where you need to head out. Kashmiri names of birds of Kashmir: the crow family, Corvidae; the raven, Corvus corax tibetanus; Kashmiri name, Bodinkav; Kata inlet, common in Ladakh region; the jungle crow, Corvus macrolincos intermedius; Kashmiri name, Diva cav, Pansol cav, can be seen around higher reaches of Pahalgam; the house crow, Corvus splendens zugmayeri; Kashmiri name, cav; the jackdaw, Corvus monbula; Kashmiri name, Kavin; the red-billed chough, Pyrocorax; Kashmiri name, Wankavin; the yellow-billed magpie, Uricissa flavorostris cuculata; Kashmiri name, in Lolab Valley, Lot Ross.
Himalaya Beauty's YouTube channel. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon for more informative videos.
Major Kashmiriensis. Kashmiri name, Rangotsar; the crested blacktid, Lophofanes melanolophus; Kashmiri name, Pintsacon; the babbler family, Timaliidae; the streaked labgingush, Trocholopteron lineatum; Kashmiri name, Shinapipin, the snow whistle; the bulbul family, Pycnonatidae; the white-cheeked bulbul, Molposts leucogenus; Kashmiri name, Bilbicha; the Himalayan black bulbul, Microcella ceroides; Kashmiri name, Wan bulbul; the creeper family, Certhiidae; the Himalayan tree creeper, Certhia himalayana; Kashmiri name, Koel Didur; The wall creeper, Ticodroma muraria. Kashmiri name, Lombodidur. The thrush family, Turdidae. The bush chat, Saxicola torquata. Kashmiri name, Diphatirav. The white-capped redstart, Chimaernus leucocephals. Kashmiri name, Chetstal. Humidity in Kola Hoi area. The plumbeous redstart, Rhiacornis fuliginosa. Kashmiri name, Colatirav. The black-throat thrush, Turdus atrogularis. Kashmiri name, Wanda costure. Tickles thrush, Turdus unicolor. Kashmiri name, Costure. The Himalayan whistling thrush, Myophonius temenkii. Lawrence's the song thrush of Kashmir. Kashmiri name, Hazardastan, Cavacunar. The flycatcher family, Muscipapidi. The paradise flycatcher, Terps iPhone Paodisi leucogaster. Kashmiri name, young and female, Ranga bulbul. Adult, Fambaceer, cotton flake. The shrike family, Lanidae. The rufous-backed shrike, Lanius erythronidatus. Kashmiri name, Hara Wathaj. Wathaj means executioner. The bird name is used also as a phrase in Kashmiri for someone mean. The Campophagidae family. The short-billed minivet, Paracrocidus brevirostris. Kashmiri name, Wojulmini. The Drongo family, Dicruridae. The Indian grey dronga, the king crow, Dicrurus leucophaeus longicaudatus. Kashmiri name, Goncotes, Telecots. The warbler family, Siladiidae. The great reed warbler, Acrocephalus stentorius brunsens. Kashmiri name, Kirkuk. The pale bush warbler, Horornis pallidus. Kashmiri name, Dipapitch. The oriole family, Oriolidae. The golden oriole, Oriolus kundo. Kashmiri name, Pashi null, flower mongoose. The starling family, Sternati. The starling, Sternus vulgaris humii. Kashmiri name, Tsini hang-ur. The mina, Acrid others tristis. The sad grasshopper eater. Kashmiri name, Hor. Cinclidae, dipper family. The white-breasted dipper, water ouzel, Cinclus kashmiriensis. Kashmiri name, Dungle. Family Fringillidae. The black and yellow growbrake, Perisospisa istoids. Kashmiri name, Wyatt-tongued. The rosefinch, Carpodicus erythrinus roseatus, erythrinus wrongly given as crithrinus. Kashmiri name, Gulabsar. The goldfinch, Cardulus caniceps. Kashmiri name, Sahara. The house sparrow, Passer domesticus parkini. Kashmiri name, Tsar. The gold-fronted finch, Metaponia pusilla. Kashmiri name, Adult, Tiak. Young, Tair. The green finch, Hypocanthus spinoids. Kashmiri name, Savostsar. The meadow bunting, M. Hiriza cia straighti. Kashmiri name, Wuntsar. Hirundinidae, swallow family. The swallow, Hirundo rustica.